You know, what we say at DocuSign is business is global, trust is local. Where do you see DocuSign in 10 years?
One of two things is going to happen. I'm really on the fence on this. Either it gets acquired into another platform, or it becomes Switzerland on itself. And you know, frankly, when I first met you, I thought, why aren't you part of Microsoft or Adobe? Pick one. Because those are the two that would assimilate you into their platforms. And you made a good argument for why Switzerland is better for you. And that may be, in effect, the right direction. Because the more I look at the jurisdictional pressure of compliance, maybe they don't want a native U.S. company owning the nexus of their docs. And maybe they want a company that's able to say to them, I can set up servers in your native jurisdiction, and we are independent, and we do not serve any master except you, the customer. Maybe now you could get me to say there's at least a 50% chance of that happening. Haven't gotten my hands dirty in watching what's happening in the market. So maybe you're right. Maybe what should happen here is this company should go public, and at some point, and then have full transparency, but be Switzerland for all companies everywhere in the world. But what fascinates me is how the big boys, the S&P 500, know who DocuSign is.
Oh, totally.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's great. All right, well, thanks. And thanks again for the O'Leary wine. I love that.
Thanks a lot.
All right, thanks, Kevin.